Buying a corded circular saw, here's the thing no product page tells you. Most look the same, but the real difference shows up after hours of cutting. When vibration wears you out, the blade wanders or the guard sticks. I've seen pros and DIYers waste money on saws that can't handle real work. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 that actually deliver. Product number 1, SKIL 508001 Budget Beast. First up, the SKIL 508001. This red 714 saw is one of the most popular under $60, and for good reason. It's got a 13-amp motor, stronger than its older sibling, the 5380, and it's 15% lighter, so you're not fighting fatigue on long cuts. Plus, the improved dust blower actually keeps your cut line visible, which matters when you're trying to stay precise. Here's why this matters for you. If you're doing weekend projects or light construction, you need power without the price tag. This saw delivers clean, fast cuts in wood, and the lightweight design means you can use it overhead or in tight spaces without your arm giving out. It's not pro-grade, but for the price, it punches above its weight. Now some people complain about the plastic gear housing feeling flimsy. Here's the thing though, it's built for casual to semi-heavy use, not daily job site abuse. If you're careful and don't drop it, it'll last years. But if you're on a crew cutting framing lumber all day, this might not survive the year. This is perfect for you if you want reliable performance under $60 and mostly cut wood. Skip this one if you need to cut metal, tile, or do precision angled work daily. For the money, it's one of the best entry-level saws out there. Product number 2, CCI Mini Saw Compact Powerhouse. Now if the SKIL feels too basic for detailed work, check out the CCI Mini Circular Saw. This compact 412 saw runs on a 4.8 amp motor with 4,000 RPM, 20% faster than most mini saws, and it comes with 3 blades, TCT for wood, HSS for soft metal, and diamond for tile. The laser guide and rip fence help you cut straighter, and the dust port hooks up to your vacuum, so sawdust doesn't blind you mid-cut. Here's why this matters. If you're doing home renovations, building furniture, or working in tight spaces, size and precision count. The adjustable depth 111/16 at 90 degrees and 45 degrees bevel let you handle everything from trim to small framing. And at half the weight of a full-size saw, you can use it one-handed, great for overhead cuts or awkward angles. The downside, the laser isn't factory calibrated and can drift over time. You'll need to check it before critical cuts. Also, the smaller blade limits your max depth, so it's not for thick lumber, but for detail work it's surprisingly capable. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight, versatile saw for DIY crafts or small renovations. Skip this one if you're cutting 2x6s or doing heavy framing. At $90, it's a solid tool for precision tasks the big saws can't handle. Product number 3. DeWalt DWE 575SB Pro Favorite. Alright, that was a solid compact option. But if you're serious about performance, the DeWalt DWE 575SB steps up. At 8.8 pounds, it's one of the lightest full-size saws out there, but don't let that fool you. It's got a 15-amp motor and an electric brake that stops the blade instantly when you release the trigger. Here's why this matters. The 57-degree bevel capacity with stops at 45 degrees and 5 degrees means you can tackle complex trim, crown molding, and framing angles without guessing. The ball-bearing lower guard won't bind like cheaper designs, and the aluminum base stays flat and smooth, so your cuts stay accurate over time. Plus, it cuts up to 2/9/16 deep, enough for most lumber. Some users say the cord isn't long enough for large job sites. But the tough cord design resists pullouts, so it's durable where it counts. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious DIYer who values precision, safety, and long-term reliability. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or only do occasional cutting. At $230, it's an investment, but one that pays off in clean, fast, repeatable cuts. Product number 4, DeWalt DWE 575, the lightweight legend. Now, if the DWE 575SB's brake isn't a must-have, the standard DWE 575 offers nearly identical performance for less. Same 8 weight, same 15-amp motor, same 53-degree bevel with positive stops. The big difference, no electric brake, but it still stops quickly thanks to DeWalt's efficient design. Here's why this matters. You get pro-level build quality without the brake premium. The aluminum base resists warping, and the ball bearing guard ensures smooth operation even after years of use. It cuts through wood and even aluminum with the right blade, making it versatile for metalworking DIYers. The downside, no brake means slightly longer coast down time, something to note if you're doing rapid cuts. But for most users, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want DEWALT durability and lightweight but don't need the brake. Skip this if you're doing high-volume cutting where every second counts. At $197, it's a smarter buy for many. Product number 5. Craftsman CMES 500 Mid-Range Workhorse. Finally, the Craftsman CMES 500. This 13-amp saw runs at 5,300 RPM and comes with an 18-tooth carbide blade for cleaner cuts out of the box. The spindle lock makes blade changes easy, and the 45-degree bevel gives you decent angle range for most projects. The overmolded handle feels comfortable, even during long sessions. Here's why this matters. If you want more power than the SKIL but can't swing DEWALT prices, this hits the sweet spot. It's built for wood and light aluminum cutting, and the high RPM motor helps it slice through dense materials without bogging down. Some users report the depth adjustment can slip if not tightened properly. Just double-check it before each cut. It's a minor annoyance, not a flaw. This is perfect for you if you need reliable mid-tier performance for home projects or light contracting. Skip this if you need extreme bevel angles or daily heavy use. At $102, it's a great balance of price and performance. So which one's right for you? The SKIL 508001 wins for budget buyers. The CCI Mini is ideal for detail work. The DEWALT DWE 575SB is the pro pick with its brake and max bevel. The DWE 575 saves you $30 without sacrificing much. And the Craftsman CMES 500 delivers solid mid-range power. No matter your need, one of these will cut straight and last.